Hi everybody, welcome back to Adoniya Academy. And in this video, I'm making the same cake recipe in 3 different appliances. Yes, this is my first time baking in a microwave and on a stuffed top, but I'm super excited to try this. Let's get started. First, let's preheat our appliances. So I'm using an oven, a microwave with a convection baking mode. So I'm preheating it at convection mode for 10 minutes. And then I'm using a simple kadai on an induction stove. So I'm preheating that on low heat. You can also do the same on a gas stove. So let's make our cake batter. I'm using a simple eggless mocha cake. The recipe is in the description box below. It's an eggless recipe and it's super simple to make. Once our batter is all ready, I'm pouring them into 3 tins, 2 7-inch tins and 1 6-inch tin because the 7-inch didn't fit into my kadai. So I'm placing 1 7-inch pan into my oven on the middle rack with both heating on up and down. Another into the microwave on convection mode for 10 minutes and another into the kadai on medium flame with a tight covered lid. After 10 minutes, the microwave cake is not done when it was beeping. I knew that, but I didn't want to take a chance because it's my first time. After 20 minutes, my cake in the oven is perfectly baked. I should have taken out at about 18 minutes. The cake in the microwave is not baked yet at 20 minutes, and so has my cake on the kadai, still not baked. After 25 minutes, the cake in the microwave was perfect, beautifully baked, but the cake in the kadai, not yet. This took about half an hour to bake, so 10 minutes longer than the stuffed top, and there you go, it's baked beautifully. I let all the 3 cakes cool down completely before demolding it and seeing the texture, which I'm super excited to see the differences in. The cake from the oven is perfect, soft and spongy. Like I said, I should have taken out 2-3 minutes earlier to avoid the cracks. The cake from the microwave was soft but surprisingly had a hard crust on the top. So let's see what happens. But the cake from the stuffed top was a total surprise. Super soft, super moist, and felt almost like a pillow. So I'm just waiting to demold all of these 3 to see the differences. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. This cake from the microwave seemed a little stuck, so I was struggling to demold this. And rightly so, it was slightly uncooked at the bottom and hence stuck to the pan, although all 3 pans were buttered and greased the same way. The one from the stuffed top came out easily with no hassles and was super soft. So I'm just cutting the first cake, which is from the oven. It's as usual, lovely and moist and soft. Look at the crumb. Do try out this recipe. It's super amazing. Now the cake from the microwave, even though a little uncooked in the center, the sides were nice. If only I had left it for about 4 to 5 minutes long. Now the cake from the stuffed top, gosh, it was so moist. I had to be careful not to, spoil it and break it while cutting. Just look at that sponge. I'm totally blown away by how soft and moist it is. So next time my oven is not working, I know which one to opt for. So let me know how you bake your cakes. Have you baked in a microwave or on a stuffed top? Do leave a comment. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give this a thumbs up. Until next time, bye-bye.